Hello YouTube, this is Scott Grammer and I am the Old Audio Guy, and what you're looking at is the package that I have been waiting for. This should be, we're going to find out when I open it, a new old stock Shure M97xE phono cartridge, still sealed in the factory plastic. Now I've never done an unboxing video before, so this is going to be my first time. Y'all bear with me. Let's see what happens. All right, let's see here. All right, here we go. Oh yeah, look at that. Isn't that pretty? All right. There it is. M97xE phono cartridge, still sealed in the factory plastic. I have been waiting on one of these, looking for one of these for a long time. All right, let's open it up, shall we? Oh, I almost don't want to do this. All right, here we go. No more plastic. There went about a third of the retail value. Scoop the knife out of the way. See if I can possibly keep this all on camera. There we go. There's the instructions. And there is the case. Steel case. Very nice. Let's open it up. You think we should open it up? I think we should open it up. Let's open it up. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Very high accuracy sound reproduction. And I'll tell you, I've heard these cartridges before, and I think that's probably a reasonable statement. And there we are. So we have our cartridge. Let's get this a little straighter. And we have a screwdriver and a stylus cleaning brush and some hardware. And sure enough, it is brand spanking new. I love it. Let's see if I can get it out of its case without destroying it. Tell you what, I'm going to get a tool to help me pull it out of there because my big fat fingers are going to cause a problem. One moment, please, as someone else likes to say.
A few moments later.
And we're back. Let's see if we can pull that out. There we are. Look at that. A genuine N97xE stylus. Brand new, never played. There's the dynamic damper. The number on the cartridge. I am very happy to have that puppy. All right, so this has been the unboxing of the Shure M97xE phono cartridge. And for right now, I'm just going to put it back into its little habitat. And I'm going to put this here. Well, actually, that doesn't go there. This goes there. I'm not going to put that there. I'm just going to close it up. Good night. I'll be back later. And in the next video, we will be installing it on a head shell and installing it on a turntable. And we'll talk about all the alignments that are necessary to do such a thing. And then another video after that, we'll listen to some music with it. Talk to you later. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.